Is a Twilio SendGrid email marketing campaign software really worth it? In today's conversation, I want to go granular and give you all the tools and all the pros and cons, everything about this Twilio SendGrid email marketing campaign software. So here's a summary I want you to pay attention to. So when you think about Twilio, you have to think about a tool that allows you to not only scale your email marketing, but also make sure that as you are scaling, you are able to remain connected to your audience, to resonate through your email, to your various emails, from transactional emails to everyday regular emails. And Twilio SendGrid marketing campaigns is a somewhat simple email and digital marketing solution, but one that's built on a reliable and highly scalable MTA service infrastructure. Okay, and when we talk about marketing strategy from Twilio SendGrid, we're speaking about a very simple yet effective method. I want to quickly talk to you about the pros and cons here. The pros: it is designed for sending emails at scale. You have great reputation management. You have solid email analytics for campaign success tracking. What about the cons here? Well, you kind of have basic templates and HTML editors. They have to change that. And they have a dedicated IP address and email validation only on the Pro plan. So if you are on a lower price plan, you're not going to access that. It's really important to understand. So when we talk about Twilio SendGrid marketing campaign specs, we're speaking about a tool that allows you to do a lot of things, including A/B testing, unlimited email, and annual plans. Again, the forte of this tool is the ability to send multiple emails at volume. Multiple emails at scale, rather. So we're speaking about volume here, and we're speaking about speed. So the important thing to remember here is that with Twilio, you have advanced email marketing strategies that are made very simple. You have promotional, blast, welcome emails, onboarding series. No matter what you're sending, you have marketing campaigns that can really help you build impactful campaigns that reach the inbox. It's important to understand that Twilio SendGrid email marketing campaigns is really built again for all kinds of businesses. It doesn't matter. It can be a startup, you can be a small business, you can be a mid-sized business or a large enterprise. It really depends on the most important, the focus of the email. Okay, are you sending? What's the nature of the email? That's really where Twilio. But so if you're talking about promotional blasts, welcome emails, onboarding series, Twilio is there for you. It has the tools and capabilities to help you get the job done. Now, what is Twilio's strategic edge? Okay, the thing is, when we talk about Twilio SendGrid email marketing campaigns, you have to understand that the tool allows you to scale your email program faster. Again, we're speaking about scaling your email. So again, the element of volume is here is very important, and so you can actually segment large audiences easily. The thing is that when you're thinking about segmenting large audiences easily, always go back to your database and make sure that again, you have to specify whether you want to segment by geography, by demographics, or other elements, other criterion that you would have actually identified. So you can import and sync large contact lists in minutes, not hours, and you can actually manage and send to audiences of 10 to 10 million with a very wonderful segmentation engine. Okay, so this is kind of cool, and you are able also to do another thing that we love in Twilio SendGrid email marketing. You're able to create campaigns in fewer clicks. So whether you prefer the drag and drop visual editor or the code editor, what we have seen here is that with Twilio, you are able to pick the design flow that works for you. This is really cool because you can actually, you can actually introduce really customization in the process. So this is kind of cool. And so whatever works for you, you just go with it. So when you are ready, schedule a one-off send or set up an automated email series, not a problem. You can also optimize the email performance and engagement. This is kind of cool. It's not just about reaching the inbox, right? You're also trying to make sure that you improve engagement with content personalization, rendering previews, and A/B testing. You're able to increase open and click-through rates over time with actionable analytics. And Twilio SendGrid email marketing campaigns gives you all the tools and capabilities to get the job done. So when we talk about Twilio SendGrid email marketing campaigns review, we have to really mention the fact that we can use marketing campaigns for any email you send. Again, going back to what I said, it doesn't matter whether you are speaking about promotional and lead generation, for example, newsletters, sales and discount codes, product announcements, events promotions, or welcome and customer loyalty emails. We have automated welcome emails, onboarding series, rewards programs. We have alerts and notifications, including company announcements, upcoming events, reminders, and privacy updates. Here's a winner for you. The cool thing here is that when you talk about Twilio SendGrid email marketing campaigns, you have the ability not only to actually map out your email marketing strategy, but really have the ability to look at things from a different point of view. Let me break it down for you. The thing is that with the Twilio SendGrid email marketing campaigns, you have a powerful tool that allows you to look at to really put some flexibility in your email workflows. So when we talk about email workflows, you really need to understand, depending on your target audience, you might have a rigid or flexible email workflows. In any way, shape, or form, it's always better to have a flexible email workflow. So you are able to grow your audience with powerful content management. What we love about Twilio SendGrid email marketing campaigns is that you have the ability to have you can use tools that allow you to add contacts seamlessly. For example, you can actually add contacts via CSV, sign up form, or API. You can connect to CRM data with the contacts API. You can create targeted lists or dynamic segments, and you can segment by engagement events. What we love about Twilio SendGrid email marketing campaigns is that it allows you to actually add contacts and manage contacts really easily. What we don't like here is that it's really kind of hard to do the reporting on those contacts. Okay, so if you're interested on the reporting aspect of things, Twilio SendGrid email marketing campaigns is not going to help you with that. But hey, listen, it is what it is. But you don't really need any code expertise to actually use the tool. You are able to work efficiently with flexible design and code editing. So for example, you can build in any order, no rigid step-by-step wizards. That's what I said before. The workflows vary, some kind of flexible workflows. You can design it with drag and drop content modules. You can edit HTML without breaking structural code. You can use dynamic content for personalization, and you can manage both marketing and transactional templates. And one thing we love about the Twilio SendGrid email marketing campaigns also is that you can create single sends and automations. For example, you can send now or schedule for later. You can create a warm welcome with an onboarding series. You can build an automated nurture to promote an event. You can follow up with leads who interact with the content. You can track the rate of your automation over time. So this is kind of cool. You can also get better results with integrated email testing and analytics over time. Let's break it down for you. So when we talk about Twilio SendGrid email marketing campaigns, what are the features you really want to pay attention to? First of all, most people know the Twilio name in relation to the application programming interface. The API products is developed across a variety of technologies, including not just email and messaging, but also the Internet of Things, IoT, voice over IP, and video. That API portfolio is where SendGrid marketing campaigns, SendGrid, was born, but the company has since worked to turn the platform into a fully rounded email marketing tool. And the SendGrid is designed for mid-sized companies looking to deliver email marketing campaigns at scale, since Twilio differentiates itself largely through its ability to handle very large email volumes. So according to the company, Twilio SendGrid sent out 1 trillion emails in 2020 and 1.2 trillion emails actually 2 years later. Twilio really claims this is the largest volume on any cloud demand-side platforms, okay? And Twilio anticipates increasing its email volume to 4 trillion in the next 2 years, and this is what it is. So this volume is really impressive, okay? And if you are if you're looking for volume, if you're looking for a tool to kind of help you deal with volume, you definitely want to give Twilio a try. So when we talk about Twilio SendGrid email marketing campaigns, in terms of the review, you need to understand that when we talk about, it's important to understand the advantage of an integrated MTA. And it's really important when we talk about MTA, we're speaking about a mail transfer agent, okay? So email relay services allow you to send a large number of emails without the cost and complexity of maintaining your own servers and wide pipe internet connections. With this part of its service, Twilio SendGrid SendGrid actually handles all the technical details for you, like infrastructure scaling, ISP outreach, real-time analytics, and especially reputation monitoring. And as part of its SMTP delivery service, Twilio houses its own MTA, its own mail transfer agents. So with in-house, Twilio can manage MTA performance itself instead of being beholden to another vendor. And so this is kind of important. And the thing is, when we talk about SendGrid's MTAs, they provide other advantages, like you have an additional layer of email expertise. You can mine easily through a single professional services instead of looking through multiple providers. So it's really what's important for you. You have to look at that. So campaign design and functionality becomes better because, again, you are housing all the functionalities through Twilio. So this is kind of cool. If this is what you want to have, then go ahead and use Twilio for that. Especially if you're dealing with volumes. Okay, with Twilio, you really want to look at volume here. You want to look at volume first. And I also want to talk about the fact that you can actually build a SendGrid email campaign really easily. And when it comes time to designing your marketing email, SendGrid has 6 basic email designs available on the tool. This is kind of cool. And so the thing is, these are actually slanted towards either lifestyle or retail campaigns, and you can do light tweaking easily, though if you don't need to have any coding at all. Okay, it's not really that complicated. If you just need to send a quick newsletter or promotion to subscribers, those templates should work in a pinch. Some marketers will quickly feel constrained by the available range of templates, but they have the option of importing their own designs and actually adjusting them in the tool. But of course, you gotta really be ready to do some tweaking. If you're comfortable with that aspect of things, not a problem. Okay, but the thing here is that as long as you're not frustrated because you have to do the tweaking yourself, then it's totally fine. Now, one thing I need to really tell you here is that when we talk about building a SendGrid email campaigns, remember that everything is handled for you as long as you are able to know a little bit, like you are familiarize yourself with the Twilio dashboard, with the Twilio platform, because otherwise this could be a little bit of a steep learning curve for you. Because if you are going, let's say you want to send like 10 million emails, or you want to send 15 million emails, if you don't know what the tool offers, this could be problematic for you. So it's important. And you can also, the thing is, using the design library means building your email either with the drag and drop features described earlier, or so if you're an experienced marketer, you can do it yourself, or you can just jump into HTML code editor. This path gives you much more precise design control as long as you've got a good grasp of HTML. So if you are comfortable with that language, then that's fine. Now, but if you are a novice, if you're a neophyte, do not go with the HTML editor. Just stick with the drag and drop editor. At the end of the day, it's important to understand that Twilio is kind of I would say in terms of user experience, it's 50-50 because they could do a lot better. And but I think this is actually a work in progress. So over time, I'm sure by the time you listen to this show, Twilio SendGrid email marketing campaigns would have been a lot better in terms of its UX and UI. I want to quickly talk to you about integrated A/B testing. This is another feature that you have in Twilio email marketing campaigns. You are able to do a lot of stuff here. So while design may need improvement, SendGrid does provide a number of useful tools when it comes to initiating and measuring your campaign success, like a personalization option. This can help you make form emails and newsletters appear customized to specific users. While it's really great to see this as part of a SendGrid's tool set, it's something that you'll find in most of our competing email marketing solutions too. And so a nicer touch is that SendGrid has A/B testing functionality, which is available even at its lower pricing tiers. So with this, you can test multiple versions of an email to see which one gets the most eyeballs, click-throughs, and engagements. And SendGrid lets you do A/B testing either on the email's subject line or its content. So if you're testing a subject line, you can do so for up to 4 different versions. If you select a content A/B test, tabs will appear at the top of the screen, with each allowing you to test different content elements aimed at different audiences, or perhaps the same content element tweaked in different ways, so you can see what really resonates best with a single audience. So once you have that, you have set this up, SendGrid will check after an hour to determine which versions was actually more successful, and then sends the rest of the email load in that format for higher success rates. So this is kind of cool. So building an A/B test starts with setting the time for the test. For example, you could select 1 hour to test on 50% of your initial audience. You can also send out multiple variations of your email, and SendGrid will aggregate the click rates to determine which variations is having the most success. And this is kind of important to really think about that. Also, in terms of so when you think about Twilio SendGrid email marketing campaigns, you have a great sending mechanics, but the design really can be improved. Okay, this is something that we really have been saying for a while now. So the design is kind of weak, and so it's something that engineers at Twilio SendGrid have to work on. Okay, it's one of the things you have to understand, that it's a drag and drop. Its drag and drop templates offer only rudimentary and limited options that will hamper small businesses who might not have access to design experts or HTML coders. Most search businesses will be better off creating their designs elsewhere and then using Twilio SendGrid's sending, segmentation, and A/B testing functionality to deliver their marketing campaigns. Okay, and yeah, it is what it is. What about the pricing here? Let's quickly talk about the pricing here. As you can see this on the screen. So when we talk about Twilio SendGrid pricing and features, it's important to understand that you can get Twilio SendGrid marketing campaigns using 4 separate pricing plans. There is a free plan that can allow you to send all the way to 100 emails each day. So it should be fine for very small businesses or even individuals that are trying to figure out if email marketing can really help them. A marketing campaign's essential plans. The plan we actually reviewed starts at $14 to $20 per month and allows you to send up to 40,000 emails monthly, which is a great starting point for small and medium-sized businesses. The Essentials plan also come with API access for customization and the SMTP relay service. There is support, which is really great. There is support for alerts, delivery optimization, a dynamic template editor, basic analytics, and guaranteed support response times via email, tickets, and chat. The next level up is the Pro plan, which jumps to $89 to $100 per month and can manage 100,000 emails on a monthly basis. It has everything you get with Essentials, but adds dynamic templates with testing features, up to 2,500 email validations, a dedicated IP address, and subscription management. So beyond the Pro plan is the Twilio's Premier plan, but this requires considerable consultation with the company's professional services experts, as its features set it tailored to every customer. And to actually to get access to this tier, you also need to talk to a Twilio sales rep, since its pricing is custom too. Now, Twilio SendGrid marketing campaigns offers automation, that's for sure, which is available as part of the advanced marketing campaigns package. And so even with the addition of its relay service, Twilio presents a nice range of, in our view, a nice range of subscription pricing plans that seem competitive with the other players that we have reviewed. Okay, so this is kind of cool, and the good thing is that Twilio is constantly improving. So we love that a lot, and we also love the fact that you have the A/B testing at all tiers, and so you're able to test a lot of iterations for your email service before you send it. So the bottom line here is that we recommend Twilio SendGrid marketing campaigns. It is a somewhat simple email and digital marketing solution, but one that's built on a reliable and highly scalable MTA service infrastructure. So if you need that kind of service, then go ahead with Twilio. If not, just look for another player.